Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper diagonal Sudoku. March 11, 2022 diagonal Sudoku. Sixth row we have 5 and 6. 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 3. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E and column G and fifth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second grade. Fifth row we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Seventh row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Fifth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 9. Fourth row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column F we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 8. Column F and 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. In this diagonal we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Fourth row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cell. 1 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. In this diagonal also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 1. 1 will come any one of the cells. So 1 can't come this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column I we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I and column J, 8th grade, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. The 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. Column I, we have 3. In this diagonal, we have 6. So 3, 6 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column J, 4th row and 3rd row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come. Sorry. Column C and 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C and 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row and 3rd row, we have 2. Column J also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column C and column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Tenth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. Column I, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8, 9. 10th row and 6th grade, we have 3. Second row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. then 3 is confirmed here. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sorry, 6 and 9. Third grade, only two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in. Since 4 is here, then 7 is confirmed here. This diagonal, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Fourth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. In third row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. First grade, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 8th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column I, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.